Hey everybody! You want to up your breakfast game by about 10,000 degrees? Well, today we're making a classic, rich and creamy country-style gravy with sausage that you can douse all your breakfast delights with. So let's get started. I got my pan heated up over medium heat. I'm just going to hit that with a little touch of oil and then begin with a pound of breakfast sausage. And we're just going to fry that down and kind of break it up as we go into as small pieces as you want. Wow, we're starting to get some nice crusty bits down on the bottom of the pan, and those are good just as long as they don't get black on you. That's pure flavor right there. Those are the kind of nuggets that I like in mine, but you can continue breaking this down in a real fine crumble if that's the way you like it. So now I'll just continue to cook this, stirring every now and then until it's pretty much all the way done and we've got some of that fat rendered out. Alright then. 5 or 6 minutes and that sausage has got some nice color going. It's pretty much cooked through. A lot of the fat has rendered out, but it's not quite enough fat for the gravy. So now I'm going to throw in a 1/4 cup of butter. And we'll just let that melt in. I'm also going to add some nice fresh cracked black pepper. I like to go pretty heavy with this, but you do it just the way you like it. And you know I gotta have a little heat, so maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we'll just stir this around until that butter melts. Still around medium heat. I don't want to burn the butter. Now that my butter's all melted, I'm gonna put in 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. I'm just gonna stir that in and cook it with that butter for a couple of minutes to take off the raw flour taste and give it a nice roasty flavor. Not too hot here. I want to pretty much stir this the whole time I'm cooking it because it'll burn up pretty quick if I'm not careful. Now that's been cooking for a couple of minutes and I've got 3 cups of cold milk. And I'm going to pour in 2 of the cups to get it started, and then I'll use the last cup to adjust the thickness as I go. Just dump right in there. And stir like crazy now. I like to use a whisk here even, just to dissolve all that flour before this gets too hot. Now, I won't know for sure how thick this is going to be until it actually comes up to a boil. That's why I saved a cup of that milk off to the side, so I can adjust it and make it thinner as I need to. Now my flour's dissolved, I can stop using the whisk. And now I can already tell that it's very thick, so I'm going to add in a little more of that milk. I got a feeling it's gonna take all this milk. Oh yeah, for sure. So now it's just the thickness that I'm looking for. I'm gonna add a big old pinch of salt now. Maybe 2. Stir that around and we'll give that a taste just to check the saltiness. So now I'm going to bring the heat way down and just have this barely simmer for about 10 minutes to kind of bring some of the flavor out of that sausage and get it mingling with the milk and really bring this gravy together. Serving this in what may be the most classic way over some nice warm biscuits that I just made, and I'll put the link to that recipe at the end of the video. But no matter what you pour this gravy on, from potatoes to toast to rice, it's gonna be delicious. So now let's see how we did. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big old bite. That is just so delicious and comforting. It's a true breakfast classic, and maybe the perfect breakfast if you want to get up and have breakfast and then just immediately fall back to sleep, because it is so rich it'll just take it right out of you. But it'll certainly get you through till lunchtime. Well, I really hope you try this, and I know you're gonna love it. And if you do, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.